Good morning, over in Warrington this morning. I'm going to do a really quick video. We're doing a sofa. It's pretty bad, wants doing. So I'll pan the camera around shortly, show you, and then we'll just show you it once it's done. Alright, okay. Okay, and a lovely dog. We're not cleaning that today though. Okay, you can have a look. We'll show it you once it's done. Okay, all finished. Remember what all this looked like before. That one. You can see. Okay, job done there. Customer's delighted. She said she's going to put a review on Facebook and Google. It was for her mother-in-law. They've been staying there and they've wrecked it, so she's really made up with that one. If you want to book us in, you can send us photos on WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. Put your postcode on there as well, and we'll get back to you ASAP. Have a great weekend, everybody. Take care. Bye-bye.